at you, he looks at your ways. He looks the way you adore him. He will always be there, and he will always stand with you. In due time, you will stand again. You will start spreading his word to those even who don't know him. Bwana Yesu asifiwe. Though its roots have grown old in the earth, and its stems decay, at the scent of water, it will bud, sprout again like a new seedling. Itachibuka tena na itakuwa a new seedling. Na ndiposa watu wanapokuangalia, saa zile maybe you are down, people may look at you, describe you, talk ill of sorts of manners about you. But let them talk. Lakini wasiguze nini? Moyo wako. Ndiposa unapoendelea kuomba, Mungu naye anakutumia in another way. Maybe God is the one who made that to happen unto you. Mungu alisababisha hiyo ifanyike, ndiposa uinuke tena to another level. Maybe you are there but you are not on the right track. Sasa Mungu alikushusha, ndiposa akuinua afresh. That's why unakatwa, ndiposa uanze kuchibuka tena. Uanze kunawiri afresh. Bwana Yesu asifiwe. And when you come out afresh, you are stronger than ever. Bwana Yesu apewe sifa. You will be stronger than ever. Watu wanapokuona jinsi wimbo inavyosema, wakuone nani? Mwenyezi Mungu. Jinsi unavyotembea, jinsi unavyokaa, chochote unachofanya, it doesn't matter how long it takes. But when the favor of the Lord is upon you, whatever you do, wherever you go, he will always be there for you. Bwana Yesu apewe sifa. It has hope that it will spread again. Who are we as human beings, as Christians, as a father, as a mother, as a daughter, not to have faith? We are made in the likeness of the Lord. We are made in the image of the Lord. We need to act like our Creator. He created us. We resemble him. We do things that are godly, so that as people outside there, they look at you, they know that you are somebody who is straightforward. You are somebody who is focused. You are somebody who is on a straight line, that you are pressing on. Whatever it takes, continue pressing on. Bwana Yesu apewe sifa.